underestimate the power of after-sales relationship. Yes, itong seminar po namin dito sa Calaca City, it's a product of after-sales relationship. And of course, we met someone na very influential and madami siyang contact. And of course, exchange numbers and exchange social media platforms. Now, in my case, no, I have my team leader who is doing that for me. So, after the seminar, kwentuhan sila, kwento-kwento, something like that, kumustahan. Until one day, I receive a message from her na, Doc, I recommended you for speaking engagement in Calaca City. So, nagulat ako kasi siya yung ka-message siya ng aking team. Well, one of the tasks ng aking leader is to continue the relationship, continue the messaging, something like that. So, in other words, na-close natin tong seminar and yun nga, natapos na tayo, which is a product of after-sales relationship. So, sa lahat ng mga business owners, dapat meron kang program after sales. Kahit products yan or services, meron kang naka-assign na isang person to do the networking, to do the messaging, the texting, then kumusta, something like that. So from there kasi, no opportunity will come in. Okay? After sales, relationship. Let's go. Kape tayo. Dito po sa Tagaytay Starbucks Cafe.